Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for June 11th. We are looking at the US Japanese yen pair. This particular pair closed down today. We are looking for this pair to continue moving sideways with a bias that is moving sideways as well. Look for this pair to move potentially as high as 99.30, possibly as low as 96.56. Look for some resistance around 98.19 and look for some support around 97.26. Now switching to the Euro USD pair, this particular pair we're looking for it to continue moving sideways with a bias sideways. We did get a close up during this last session. We are looking for it to potentially move as high as 142.82, possibly as low as 138.46. Look for some resistance around 141.61 and look for some support around 140.03. Now switching over to the pound US dollar pair, this particular pair closed higher today. It's getting close to previous resistance. We are looking for it to potentially move as high as 1.6754, possibly as low as 1.6215. Look for some resistance around 16661 and look for some support around 164.71. Now switching to the US Swiss, this particular pair did close down. We are looking or getting closer to previous support levels, so definitely look for the this pair to move down to those prices. We are looking for it to potentially move as low or as high as 1.0922, possibly as low as 1.0566. Look for some resistance around 1.0760 and look for some support around 1.0650. Well, that about does it for today. We did have the U.S. release their advanced retail sales for May. It was as expected at 0.5%. No real surprises there. We are looking basically for the news to be fairly quiet tomorrow as far as major news announcements. However, we are going into a Friday, so we could get some good movement just because it's towards the end of the week. Now, what am I looking for during this next session? Looking for the New Zealand US dollar pair to move higher. This pair formed an overextended bar today. Looking for a break of this session's high and looking for it to tag this resistance level. It's about 100 pips, roughly 90 to 100 pips up. Looking for it to move to that point during this next session. And as you can see, we have a potential for large amounts of movement within one session. So I definitely could see us hitting it starting from where we're at. Make sure to use a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio for this particular trade. Well, that about does it for today. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.